Hey guys, welcome back to edition 1. And, I noticed that my wiper link is broken. So today we're going to replace the wiper link which is inside this panel here. Okay, I'm going to let this soak for a while with WD-40. And after 15 minutes, we can now remove the bolts using a size 12 spanner. I'll be spraying with more WD-40 to make it easier to remove the wiper arm. There's a tool to remove this actually, but I don't have the tool right now. So you just got to wait for it to soak in, wiggle and try to take it out. And there we go, it's out. Next, we've got to remove this panel here. Alright. Next, we'll remove these retainer clips. There's a total of 5 of them. Next, we got to remove these 3 studs. Okay guys, both these nuts refuse to come out. The studs at the back are spinning as well. I'm going to grind them out, both of these, to remove this wiper link. The main arm of the wiper link is connected to the motor, which is behind here. So we'll remove this wiper motor assembly now. Okay guys, this is the joint. Okay guys, this is the old wiper link. As you can see, it's all loose and broken. This is a new one. You can see that it's tight and steady. Just put one nut here just to hold it in place for a while. Reattach the main wiper link arm to the motor. Yeah. Okay. Tighten all the 6 nuts holding the wiper mount. Hey guys, as you can see, I've already wiped clean all the areas below the windscreen, and now we're going to install the wiper panel. Okay guys, I've already repainted the wiper arm with the matte black color. So we'll be replacing with new wiper blades. There are two sizes, one is long and one is short. The shorter arm goes to the driver's side and the longer arm goes to the passenger side. This setup may differ with different cars and models. And now we can fit our wiper blades. And that is all guys to change a wiper link. It's that easy. If you liked this video, do consider subscribing, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next video.